Hi, this is Finance 5535 Option Market Maker Simulator video. Our group consists of three persons. They are Chen-Hong Huang, Yu-Chen Zhou, and Zhehao Lin. Akuna 9000 will be our module lesson that we run our strategy. Akuna 9000 is a market that future price almost keeps steady at about $369, and the volatility of the price is close to zero. As we can see, this is the graph of Akuna 9000 without any adjustment, and there are a lot of red dots. These red dots means delta bridges. Um, we should do something to eliminate these delta bridges. What we should do is buy or sell futures when you saw these red dots to eliminate these delta bridges. As a market maker, one of potential strategies that can be used to make money when keeping risks under control is to sell auto options and buy deep auto money options, and this is our strategy.
In this strategy, we first lower the volatility bound to reduce the price of options. And when the Vega and Gamma is about to breach the limit, we do some wholesale by buying some deep after money options which strike price 490. And you can see that when each time we buy 100 lots, the Gamma reduce about 10,000 and Vega reduce about 1,000. And when the delta is about to breach limit, we just buy or sell some futures to hedge. As the volatility of the price is quite low, out of the money options are unlikely to be exercised. Therefore, we can make money by sell out of money options as small as possible. However, if we sell too much options, the gamma and vega will be large negative. In order to get rid of the risk position, we can buy some deep aftermarket options to hedge. In this strategy, uh, the main reason is that the per cost of gamma of deep aftermarket options is far lower than other options, which means that this hedging strategy would have a minimum cost.
I'm Chen Hong Huang, and we believe that our strategy works very well in most situations and have many strengths. First of all, we can make a lot of money because the out of the money options are unlikely to be exercised in this market. And the cost of deep out of the money options can be fully covered by the profits that we made through the trading process. Secondly, this strategy is very simple. We just sell out of the money options as much as possible and buy deep out of the money options to hedge the risk when it's needed. Lastly, even when the price moves by a limited amount within 3%, we can still make money, and this implies that the strategy is quite stable and works very well. However, there are some limitations as well for our strategy. First of all, we would be holding large risk exposure because we sell too much out of the money options and buy too much deep out of the money options. If the price volatility increases by a large amount, we are likely to lose money because some out of the money options would be exercised by other traders in the market. It's quite secondary. It's a quite a passive strategy because we just reduce the cost of options and wait for traders to make deal with us. If this market is efficient, then everybody may know that the price is more likely to be constant. So people would be less willing to buy out of the money option from us. As a result, this market would be depressed and we would find it hard to make money. And additionally, as the Greek risk factors such as delta, gamma, and beta changes quite abruptly due to the changes of market circumstances, we still need to constantly monitor the market and should offer correct prices for all the time.
Well, we can find our program hasn't finished yet, but the current data shows our results are pretty good. Now we sell about 400 lots of odd money options, and we bought about 1,500 lots of deep order money options, which with a 490 strike price. As you, you can find that our program is pretty successful. We have a P&L about $10,000, and the Delta, Vega, Theta, and Gamma, all of them do not break the limits. So this strategy is quite successful because we make large sum of money and keep risk under control. When we look at the risk metrics, we can find even if the price move by a certain amount from -3% to +3%, we can make profits and control the risk position at a limited amount. And thank you. This is the end of our video.